Meaning of generate.
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 Generate. The word generate means to bring into existence or create something new. When we generate something, we produce it from scratch, rather than copying or modifying it. For example, a power plant generates electricity by converting a source of energy into electrical energy. In computer science, algorithms can be used to generate random numbers, text, or images. Generating more efficient and powerful technology is essential for the progress of human civilization, but it also requires a balance between innovation and sustainability. Overall, generating refers to the act of producing or creating something new.